Chiropractic alleviates back pain, pelvic pain, sciatica, and other conditions associated with pregnancy. Spinal adjustments improve joint mobility, reduce muscle tension, and enhance circulation. These improvements help support the body's overall health and well-being. Our chiropractors use gentle, modified techniques for you and baby's safety and comfort. Chiropractic is safe and helpful during pregnancy. Regular chiropractic care relieves discomfort of pregnancy and delivery. Chiropractic can also help with back and neck pain that come from caring for a newborn.